Welcome to Wolf Nest, your trusted property management in Salt Lake City, Utah. Are you ready to embark on the journey of finding your dream rental property in the beautiful state of Utah? Well, you're in luck because we've got some fantastic tips to help you boost your rental application and stand out from the crowd. Tip number 1. Polish your credit score. A strong credit score is essential, and our experts recommend reviewing your credit report and addressing any discrepancies or outstanding debts to boost your score over time. Tip number 2. Provide stellar references. Nothing speaks volumes like glowing references from previous landlords or employers. Reach out to them and request letters of recommendation to showcase your reliability as a tenant. Tip number 3. Offer a larger security deposit. Show your commitment to maintaining the property by offering a larger security deposit, providing landlords with added peace of mind. Tip number 4. Highlight stable income. Stability is key, so make sure to provide proof of steady income, such as pay stubs or employment contracts, to reassure landlords of your financial capability. Tip number 5. Be prepared to act quickly. In a competitive market, time is of the essence. Have all necessary documents and funds ready to go when submitting your application to avoid missing out on your dream home. Tip number 6. Write a persuasive cover letter. Take the opportunity to introduce yourself and showcase why you'd be the perfect tenant. Highlight your strengths and commitment to maintaining the property. By following these tips, you can significantly enhance your rental application and increase your chances of securing the perfect rental property in Utah. And for expert assistance in finding and securing your next rental, look no further than Wolf Nest Property Management. Our dedicated team is here to help you find your ideal home while providing exceptional property management services throughout Salt Lake City and beyond. If you're ready to take the next step, contact Wolf Nest Property Management today and let us help you find the perfect place to call home in Utah.